we can try and win a case anywhere.
No one gets the results on a consistent basis that we do.
The defendants know exactly who we are, what we're going to do, so they know when they see a complaint on their desk from Simmons Hanly Conroy, they know they're ready for a fight.
We have the experience, we have the know-how, and we have the verdicts. We've gotten dozens of verdicts in the 8 figures, and we're doing that every day for our clients.
We have the size and the ability and the experience to square off against some of the largest companies in the world. Oil companies, pharmaceutical companies, manufacturers of dangerous chemicals, automotive companies. We do this every single day in courtrooms across America.
A client stands a chance against a big corporation for 2 main reasons. One, because of their own individual bravery and being the ones to stand up and say, this is wrong and there needs to be justice. And second is by having a great team, the right team behind them to support them and represent them, and even the scales against the corporations.
Behind the scenes, we have large teams working on medical issues, expert issues, historical issues, and information about our opponents in the courtroom so that when we enter the courtroom, we have the upper hand.
And in our experience, we need to bring your pain and your issue to a jury and explain it to the jury. And in order to do that with any kind of passion and understanding, we have to really know you.
Even though we're a big firm, every client receives a personal touch. They have a very small group that they deal with on a day-to-day basis, and that group knows their file backward and forward.
We are a firm that clients get our personal cell phones. Clients have phone calls answered at night on weekends.
Every single client that comes to us is treated respectfully, is treated with an interest in their specific case. Nobody has the same case as the next person and the next person.
We are fortunate enough to be in a position to have the resources to go toe-to-toe with some of the largest corporations in the world. Not every other firm can do that.
We handle all of our cases on a contingency basis. That means there's no fee up front. There's no retainer fee. The only way we get paid is if we recover money for the client.
Even if you've been injured in Missouri or Florida, you may need to sue someone, a company or an individual that is 100 or maybe 1,000 miles away from you. Simmons Hanly Conroy has the lawyers and the experience to prosecute that case anywhere in the country.
Attorneys that are from the East Coast, the Midwest, and the West Coast, and with that you get a balance of personalities, styles, and experiences.
We don't need to go and find other lawyers that might know more about a particular state law. We already have those lawyers on staff.
My grandfather was an insulator at Shell Oil, and he would come home and my grandmother would do his laundry. Person comes home from work and may have asbestos on their clothes, and when their clothes are taken off, moved, disturbed, shaken, that becomes airborne. And my grandmother contracted mesothelioma from doing my grandfather's laundry. So I know what mesothelioma does to a family. I know what it does to the victims. I couldn't be prouder to be in the fight that I'm in because I've seen it.
It's an emotional trauma to the family, and we understand that. Clients are often looking for doctors, oncologists. We have a medical staff that can help put them in touch with those doctors. We also have emotional support for clients, and we have emotional care groups, because this not only affects the injured victim, it affects everyone in the family.
We have an extensive database of documents that we have collected over 25 years that we're able to utilize for all of our clients. And by utilizing this database, we can help our clients over and over and get them the compensation they deserve.
We've had a tremendous amount of, unfortunately, veterans who have been impacted by asbestos and other toxic torts, as well as some product issues. There's a number of the partners that are veterans of all branches, and we have a lot of support staff that are veterans. What that does is it gives us a unique perspective as to the veterans' experience, what they're going through, and their commitment to the country.
We're amongst the best firms in the industry, and we stay at the top because we're taking the hard cases. We're choosing fights that others don't have the resources to be able to bring forward. And not only are we bringing them forward, we're seeing incredible results from them.
We're very active with the different unions. We strive to represent them with medical concerns, with trying to make safer workplaces and lobbying efforts that we have to protect their rights.
We stand for our clients, and at the end of the day, make sure that they receive justice they deserve.
We stand for our clients and we don't back down from a fight.
We stand for our clients, and it is a personal honor that all of us take extremely seriously.
We stand for our clients and make sure any company that has harmed them is punished and compensates our clients fairly.
We stand for our clients, and that means that clients are like family.
We stand for our clients and we don't back down.
We stand for our clients to the end, till the end of the case, till the end of the battle.
We stand for our clients, and we are both the sword and the shield for our clients. Litigation is a battlefield, and Simmons Hanly Conroy is your army.